What's up, guys? Today's day 1638 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3, soon to be 4, traveling through the US, and we're currently in New York. This is a day in our lives. We got done with our morning routine. Our breakfast is actually in the afternoon right now. Spencer's about to take his nap, and we're about to make a drive. We're heading over to the Poconos in PA to stay at one of the properties that we have as a short-term rental. We haven't visited before. It's newly renovated, fully furnished. So we're excited to go check it out, and you guys can come along. It's about a 2-hour and 20-minute drive from where we are. So we're just gonna go pick up some food that we're gonna have for later tonight. We're just gonna do some like Chinese food here locally. And when we get there, we'll just eat.
Brown sauce?
Yes,
But
please.
Let's go. We're in Pennsylvania. We're almost there, about 18 more minutes. It's almost like a 3-hour drive for us because of the heavy traffic. And this is the first time we're driving this van in such a distance trip, long trip. 2 hours and 40 minutes is actually pretty fuel efficient on this 4-liter diesel engine. I'm getting a 24.2 miles per gallon, which is really good. I mean, given it is an empty van right now. Woke up from his nap, 2.5 hours.
Can you say hi?
Did you have a good nap, Spence?
Yeah. You want excavator? Yeah. You want excavator?
Alright, let's do the excavator. We are here. The house is located inside a gated community. Pretty secure, pretty safe. So we're going to be heading into the security booth here just to get checked in. And we'll go to the house. Right. Oh, the trees are so low hanging. That's okay.
Oh, that looks nice.
This is it.
That looks nice up there also.
That looks nice, right? Let's go check out the house. This is the first time we've been here since it's been renovated. Actually, I'd never been here before, even when we first bought it. But it came out really nice. All right. Wow. They did a fantastic job doing the renovation and furnishing everything. This beautiful pool table here.
Wow, isn't it cool, Spence?
I love this wallpaper here. Let's see how to turn this on. This is nice. Ooh, some nice vibes. Look at this.
It's so nice.
All right.
Come on, Spence. One more drama.
Let's go check out upstairs.
Come on, Spence.
All right, let's go. There's a bedroom here as well. Guess I'll give you guys a quick tour here. This house is a lot bigger than the other one that we were at in the same community.
Are those bathroom?
There's a bathroom here. I believe it's storage. Yeah, storage here. And washing machine and dryer. Yeah. All right, let's go upstairs. Let's turn the lights on. Came out really nice. Yeah. How about high dancing?
I'm gonna go turn on the light.
Yeah, look at this nice high ceiling here. The fireplace, the dining room there.
That looked like seaside park.
This one? I mean, the design is very similar to the other properties that we have. Turn all the light on. Yeah, that's fast, but right here.
Wow, that's like.
You like the kitchen?
There's a.
Espresso machine.
I like this name, the farmhouse.
Yeah, I love the color here.
The beach
Nice green.
house.
Yeah, there's like amenities for this community. So
Wow, look outside.
is this cool, Spence? Yeah, out that. There's a deck outside with a like a fire pit there and a grill.
Let's go outside.
All right, let's go upstairs. Let's go check out upstairs.
Cute room here.
Let's see.
That is cute. That's so cute.
They can sleep 4 kids.
Like,
I like this bunk bed. It looks so cute.
you can sleep 6 kids.
Yeah.
I mean, sleep 2.
Yeah, you can do double on the bottom here. But this came out really nice.
This is the king size.
Yeah, that's a huge bed here.
Let's go to the bathroom. Mama had bathroom tab.
And let's check out the bathroom here.
這係側邊呢度有個，咁不過係就沖涼。
Pretty nice, right? I love the renovation. I think all the design and the coloring is like really modern looking. Right? It looks nice, right, Spence? Take a bath here. There's another bedroom down here too. Over here. And yeah, and there's a hot tub in the back.
I didn't bring swimming suit.
Oh well. Yeah, this house came out really nice. I really love the decor and the design and the color choices of everything that's here. Like even the artwork here is really nice. Goes well with the theme of the house. If you're interested, I'll throw the listing in the description below. Yeah, it's a fireplace, isn't it? That is not a real fireplace, but it looks nice, doesn't it? Yeah, we can turn it on.
I really like the high ceiling.
Yeah, the high ceiling is what kind of makes it. It's got the ski house feel a little bit, the high ceiling. All right, let me grab everything and bring it inside. You see the quick fire zones, Spence?
I don't know what you ordered.
Supposed to be beef chow fun. What do they give?
Was that beef chow fun?
You can try it. I think they gave the wrong thing. Let's eat, Spencer. We're gonna heat up all the food. We're gonna eat. Yeah. There's a very interesting microwave here.
Well, what am I going to say?
Hello?
1 minute.
1 minute. Rice. You want some rice? Yeah.
我頭先飲。You know what?
It's a little bit spicy, Mama said. Hot and sour soup.
你整多少肉？
Really? Let's see if it goes in here. Is it spicy? Spicy? Yeah. You want a rib, Spence? Spicy. Wanna go play in the kids' room? Yeah, you wanna go climb? You can climb the stairs. It's like a little house. I like this bed. Very cool bed, isn't it? Whoa! Your little monkey there.
Yeah.
Okay, you can come back down. Alright guys, we're gonna keep this video short tonight and we're just gonna be hanging out in the house for the rest of the night. And tomorrow we'll be here for another day. If you guys wanna watch our time here at the Pocono house, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Can you say thank you for watching? Thank you. See you. Bye bye.